Welcome back to Fabric of Purpose and Day 8 of our 30-day Stoic Living Challenge. Yesterday, we mastered the dichotomy of control. Today, we'll weave a new thread into our tapestry with virtue as the highest good. The Stoic belief that living morally is the ultimate aim. This is about shaping a life worth living through wisdom and integrity. Let's keep weaving together. For Stoics, virtue, living with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, is the only true good. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it." As an emperor, he could have chased power or wealth, but he chose virtue. Knowing it alone brings lasting fulfillment. By prioritizing moral excellence, we create a life aligned with our deepest purpose. As we weave our tapestry, virtue is the golden thread that shines through every choice. It's not about external rewards, but about who we become. Today, reflect on a recent decision you made. Did it align with wisdom, courage, justice, or temperance? How can you bring more virtue into your daily actions? Your challenge today is to practice virtue as the highest good. Choose one Stoic virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, or temperance, and apply it to a situation today. Maybe it's speaking truthfully, acting bravely, or treating someone fairly. Write down how it felt to prioritize virtue and share your story in the comments. Thank you for joining us on Day 8. Tomorrow, we'll explore another Stoic principle to enrich our tapestry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a day. Together, we're weaving a life of purpose.